Hi, so in this video, I will be teaching you how to archive a highlight on Instagram. So first is you need to open your Instagram application, click on your profile picture, which is located on the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal bars located at the top right corner. Now this menu will pop up on your screen. Tap on the third option, which is the archive. Notice how there are three dots on the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it and then click on settings. So in here, see how the button next to the save story to archive is off. Tap on the button beside the save story to archive. By tapping this, you are allowing your stories and highlights to be automatically saved to archives. Take note that it is only you who can see your archives. This process can be done on both iPhones and Androids. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.